prompt action.
Very good. Thank you.
I'll see you in October.
Thank you. Absolutely.
Thank you.
So, Madam, you gave a good news to the Pakistani Prime Minister?
We do have good news. We have completed the review of the program very successfully. I want to congratulate the government of Pakistan and the people of Pakistan for moving forward with the home-defined, Pakistan-owned reforms, and they're bringing fruits. Growth is up, inflation is down, and the economy is on a sound path.
Last time you told me that you want poor people of Pakistan with a trickle-down effect, right? Take
Yes.
from the rich, give it to the poor. Do you sense that now it's happening?
I do sense that this is happening. The government aims to collect taxes from the rich and is strengthening the Benazir social program to support the poor.
Very kind. Thank you
Thank
so much.
you.
Thank you so much.